Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zen PC. First, ensure you have your Zen PC, its power cord, a monitor, and a display cable ready. Carefully plug the power cable into the PC's power supply unit, then connect it to a reliable wall socket. Next, take your monitor's display cable, whether it is an HDMI or DisplayPort, and securely connect it to the matching port on your PC's graphics card. This ensures your display will receive a signal upon startup. Now, let us connect your essential peripherals. Take your keyboard and mouse, then firmly plug their USB cables into any of the available USB ports located on the back of your Zen PC. For audio, if you are using wired headphones or speakers, insert their 3.5mm audio jack into the green port on the PC's rear panel. If you have wireless peripherals, plug their small USB dongle into another free USB slot. Establishing internet connectivity is crucial for your new Zen PC. For a reliable wired connection, simply connect one end of an Ethernet cable to your internet router and the other end into the dedicated network port on the back of your PC. If you prefer Wi-Fi, make sure your Zen PC has an integrated Wi-Fi card or plug in a USB Wi-Fi adapter. Once the PC is powered on, you will easily connect to your preferred wireless network through the operating system settings. With all connections made, it is time for the first boot. Press the power button on your Zen PC and then turn on your monitor. Observe the screen carefully. If you need to access the BIOS, frequently pressing the Delete or F2 key immediately after powering on usually works. Next, insert your operating system installation media, perhaps a USB drive with Windows or Linux, into an available USB port to begin the initial operating system setup process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.